There are some high income skills you need to start to learn now, either to gain employment or to use it in your own personal business or even as a self-employed person. These 5 skills we'll be talking about in this video. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Buki Bello and I help you lead a successful life as a student and beyond. I also have a blog where you can find tons of information about personal development and opportunities for growth. So we all dream of living in beautiful homes, driving fancy cars, even going on vacation and living the good life. But if you do not have a job, this can be out of reach. And even with our economic realities of today, it could be very difficult to even feed yourself and your family and take care of your basic needs. But these skills I want to talk about have been called high income skills. But we're not even arguing whether they are high income skills or not now. But I can assure you that if you have any of these skills and you're able to earn these skills, then you should be able to achieve the life that you want in Nigeria as of today. So the first skill we'll be talking about is video production skill. So in Nigeria, 96% of businesses are small to medium enterprises, and even these small businesses account for over 84% of employment. So this tells you that a lot of business owners are, small business owners are running their businesses in Nigeria. And the interesting thing is that these businesses, they are leveraging social media to push their businesses, to drive their income. And a lot of them now are going into storytelling and video productions to portray their brand and to push their brand to their target customers. And that is where video production comes in, video production skills. So these small and medium enterprises are looking for skilled video production professionals who will help them to tell their stories and be able to position their brands very well to their potential customers. And so there are 3 phases of video production. We have the pre-production, we have the filming, and the video editing. And so if you are able to sacrifice some time to learn all of these, all the 3 phases of video production, then you'll be able to get to work with some of these small business owners who are looking to position their brands very well and tell their stories. And trust me, you can make a lot of money being a video production expert in Nigeria now. So the second skill I'm going to talk about is sales skill. Now, simply put, sales is the ability to persuade people to buy your product and services. And no matter what you do now, you need sales skill. Even if whether you're self-employed or you work with some people or you have your own business that you're pushing, you need to sell. Even as I'm speaking with you now, I am selling myself one way or the other. So, but in whatever you do, you need sales skills. And many businesses and companies today also, they are looking for sales experts, sales people who can help them push their brand and achieve their sales goal. And there are many ways you can make money as a salesperson, a sales expert. You can make money through commission. That's one of the popular ways through which you make money through sales skill, through commission, then sometimes through the number of clients you're able to close a deal with, or the number of clients you're able to, you could also make money based on the number of appointments you're able to set up with potential clients. Now, if you're already a persuasive person, you know how to persuade people naturally, then I think you're already suited for a career in sales, right? So you only need to be better skilled, probably take some professional courses to be able to be more skilled as a salesperson. And you need a lot of patience in this kind of skill if you really want to go a long way, because you're going to hear a lot of no's. But trust me, if you're able to pull through, you will be successful as a salesperson, and you are in to make a lot of money if you really know your onions about this skill. So skill number 3 is SEO and SEM skill. But guys, before we continue this video, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscription button somewhere on the screen and subscribe to the channel so that you get to know when I post up videos every week. Now back to skill number 3, SEO, SEM skill. So basically, SEO and SEM means search engine optimization and search engine. I said SEP. search engine marketing. So simply put, it means optimizing your web content in such a way that they become visible when people search for keywords around what you are doing on the web. Let me break it down. For example, let's say you are into skincare products. You sell skincare products, and you have a website where you have a lot of information about your products and services, and you expect that people also search about products in your line, and then they find the information on your website. So SEO experts help you to optimize those contents so that when people search for, let's say your office is in Ikeja, somewhere in Ikeja, so that when people search for best skincare products in Ikeja or best skincare business in Ikeja, they're able to, your content is able to come out. It's more visible. Maybe it comes out top 3 on Google search engine results, like something like that. So people are able to see what you have. They're able to engage with your content. They're able to probably contact you, call you, or do what they're supposed to do so that they can get those products. So a lot of businesses are employing SEO skilled people so that they help them to position their business to become more visible to their customers, so that they can eventually drive sales and achieve their income goals. So this skill is very, very important for you to learn. A lot of people are looking for, small business owners are looking for skilled SEO and SEM experts so that they can help them to position their brand. So if you have this skill, you'll be able to get jobs, even help your own personal business or whatever other firms that you work. You can also work for a digital marketing agency. They also pay SEO and SEM experts very well. So I'll encourage you to also learn these skills. It's one of the high income skills right now in Nigeria. I have an article on my blog about how to make money as an SEO expert, and you can find the link in the caption below for you to know how you can actually make money as an SEO SEM expert in Nigeria. Skill number 4, guys, is WordPress Developer. Now, in case you don't know, WordPress is still the most popular content development system in the world. Now, but as popular as WordPress is, a lot of website owners still don't know how to manage their WordPress website. So a lot of other businesses are just too busy to be bothering themselves with how to manage their WordPress website. So if you are able to spend some time to learn the details of WordPress development, how to set up the website and how to manage it, then you'll be able to get yourself lots of money working with small business owners who want to manage their WordPress website. It is one of the odd skills that you can learn right now and make lots of money. My personal blog, I have a WordPress blog, and I don't manage it by myself. I still contract this to someone, and I pay the person pretty much good money every month to maintain my WordPress website. So you can understand when I say that WordPress development is one of the odd skills that you need to learn now to make money in Nigeria. Now, another skill you need to learn, which is skill number 5, is influencer skill. Now, a lot of people may not agree that there's a skill to becoming a social media influencer in Nigeria or anywhere in the world right now, but I believe that there is a skill to it, because there is a technique to being able to position yourself in such a way that you're able to attract lots of followers, or reasonable enough followers that some brands are willing to put their money on you so that you could help them talk about their brands. So now take for instance Instagram. Instagram has gone beyond the time when you could just post probably a photo and some nice caption twice a week or 3 times a week and be fine. But now there are more to being known and visible and seen on Instagram than just posting images and all that. So we now have Reels, we have Instagram Stories, we have IG Live, and all of those tools, and even more. So the algorithm are changing, or is changing, and you need to be able to follow this technique. You need to be skilled in being able to learn these tools and being able to be on top of your game, to become visible, attract enough fans to the extent that some brands would want you to be their influencer. So this is one of the skills that you need to learn now if you really want to make money a lot of brands are not looking for very, very popular celebrities again to talk about their brands. No, they're looking for, mini, micro, macro influencers, people with little following from 10,000 to 20,000 or sometimes 5,000 followers. They want you to still talk to your organic followers about their brands, so that they're able to reach the people that really matter to them. So this is another skill that I feel that if you are able to learn this skill, influencer skill, and able to have, a reasonable number of followings, you would definitely attract businesses that are willing to make you an influencer for their brand. And sometimes you don't get money directly. Probably you get phones or clothing materials or just anything that the company has to offer. But there are some deals too that you get whereby you're paid handsomely well. So influencer skill is very, very important. It's a very good skill for you to learn now in Nigeria. So which of these skills have you learned or are you learning, and how are you able to make these skills make money for you? Let me know in the comment section. And also, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click the subscription button right now so that you can get fresh videos when I post them every week. Until next week, I'll see you again.